Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn write the truth table for PCNF. In the previous video we have seen what is a working rule to find a PCNF. The first thing, we have to construct a truth table for the given statement formula, and the second one, choose each and every row in which a final column must be false. And third point is, if in a selected row, suppose your truth value of an individual variable is false, we should select the variable as it is. Suppose it is true, then we have to take the negation of the variable. So by collecting all possible max terms, we will get the PCNF for the given statement formula. So using this a working rule, now we will write the problems for draw the truth table for principal conjunctive normal form. So here it was given P and Q or not P and R. So here we want to find out the principal conjunctive PCNF. So here let us construct the truth table. So how many variables are used in this statement formula? We have P, Q, R. So we write P, Q, R in 3 columns. Now we have to write all possible combinations of true, false. So since we have 3 variables, we will have 2 power n, that is n number. 3 variables are there, n equal to 3. What is 2 power 3? It is 8. So we will have 8 number of combinations. So to write all 8 combinations, we will follow this method. That is for P, we can write first 4 values as a T. The next 4 we write it as false. And for Q we write TT, true, following that false, false. Then TT, then following that false, false. Similar way in the R column, we can write true, false, true, false, true, false, like that. Now when we see, we will get all 8 types of combinations. True, 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 false, false, false. And 2 true, 1 false. Same way, true, false, true. So like this, we have 8 combinations. Now look at the question. So here we have PQ. Okay, we have PQ. Then what is the thing we want to find out here? Not P was given. So we have to we have to find the value of not P. So we will add one column and we will find not P. That is negation of P. If it is a true means we should write false. If it is false means we should write true. That is a negation of P. Next, here we have to find out P and Q. That is P and Q means P and Q we are taking the disjunction. True, true is true. True, true, true. True, false, it is false. And true, false, it is false. Any one value is a false, we will get the P and Q is a false. So like that we will write the values. Then what is the next term? We want to find out not T and R. So here not of P, already we have not P and R. So these two we are going to take a disjunction. So true, false, it is false. False, false, it is a false. True, false, it is false. False, false, it is false. True, true, it is true. False and true is a false. True and true is a true. False and true is true. So we have got these 2 values. Now what is a thing we have given? P and Q. It should be R. P and Q. This should be in the problem it was given R. So here this should be R. So we are taking R of these 2. So here it should be R. So we take the P and Q or not P and R. So true, false, it is a true. True, false, it is true. False, false, it is false. And false, false, false. False, true, true. False or false, it is false. False or true, it is true. False or true is true. Now we are finding PCNF. To find PCNF, we should find the product of all max terms. So when we get max terms, we should select only the false term. So round off false. 3 places we are getting the false. So this here we have to write the statement. That is, when we are getting false, we should see P, Q, R. So here, this should be the final truth table has false. So if you are getting false, we should write the variable as it is. Suppose if it is true means we should write negation of that variable. So here, true. So true means we should write negation of the variable not P. Not P or not P or, and here it is false, so write Q as it is or, and here it is true, we write not R. Then next one, for second term, here it is false, so we should see it is true, that means not P or Q or R. So that's what we have written here. Next one, here it is false. So false and false, true. True means we should write negation of that variable. So it is a P or not Q or R. So we write P or not Q or R. So these three terms are max terms. We should write the product of these three terms. So the required PCNF is not P or Q or not R, and not P or Q or R, and P or not Q or R. So this is the required PCNF. Now in a second problem, obtain PDNF and PCNF of this statement. So we want to find out both in this question. So we write the truth table. So let us write P, Q, R. We have three variables, and in the problem it was given not P. Then we have to write the table not P implies R. Then we should write Q implication by Q by conditional P. Then after that we should write the column these two not P implies R and Q by conditional P. So that column we have to frame. So here, so we write P, Q, R. Since we have three variables, we will get 8 combinations. All 8 combinations I have written. But here I have taken false first, then true. Any manner we can take. Then not P. So not P means negation of P. We write all the values. False means we should write true, and true means we should write false. Then not P implies R. So what is not P implies R? We have to use that implication truth table. That is, not P is here. True implies R. T implies false. Truth implies false, means it is false. T implies T. T implies F. It is F. T implies T. F implies F. It is T. F implies T. F implies F. It is T. F implies T. It is T. So using this implies a condition, we should write. Now Q by conditional P. So what is a biconditional truth table? We have to remember. So we should take a Q and P. So Q is F implies F. It is true. F implies F biconditional F is true. F biconditional F is true. T biconditional F is false, and T biconditional F is false, and F biconditional T is a false. F biconditional T is false. T biconditional T is a T. T biconditional T is a T. Then we should write min terms and max terms. Since in the problem it was asked we have to find PCNF and PDNF. So here we will take the min terms. Min terms means we should select truth T values. So let us color T value here. In 3 places we are getting T values. So if T means, if you are getting T means we can take the variable as it is. If it is false means we should take the negation of that variable. So here we are having T. So it is not P and not R, not Q and R. So that's what, this is the min term. Next one here, it is a T. So here T, T, F. So it is a P and Q and not R. So that is the thing. Then for this T, 3 places we are having T. So we will take as it is. The same variable P and Q and R. So in this way we have written the min terms. Next we should write the max terms. That is, we should select false. When we get false means all 3 are false. That means we have to take all the variables as it is, because your truth value is false. So if you are getting false, we should take the variable as it is. So P or Q or R. Then here it is a false. False, true, false. That means false P or not Q or false or R. So that is the thing I have written. Next one here, false, true, true. That means P or not Q or not R. So here we have written. Then false, this is a true, no? So not P or Q or R. So we have written that. Next one, false, not P or Q or not R. So we have written this. Next one, I think here this won't come because we have written 3 places only. This is not possible. So as I said, this is not possible. So because we are getting true, so we should consider only this term. This is not possible. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 products we got. So now we will write PDNF. That is a PDNF as a 3 terms. We write the or the product of the sum of 3 terms. The first term or second term or third term. Then PCNF, we should write the product of max terms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 terms we should get. So this is not possible. So here, this value, it's not possible. So we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So this is the way of finding PDNF and PCNF in the same truth table. Now, I have given 2 practice problems. Obtain the principal conjunctive normal form for this given statement formula without using truth table, and PDNF and PCNF obtain for this formula. We can use both without using truth table as well as by using truth table also we can try. Thank you, students.